Hey guys, it's Davin here at brewbits.com. Now, a few months ago, we brewed up and we put on camera a filming of us making the SG Wines Platinum Sauvignon Blanc wine kit. And I always say it's best once you've made them then to lay them down and leave them stored for at least a month before drinking. I know those wine kits can be made and pretty much drank as soon as they've been finished fermenting, really, but I always do recommend you lying them down. So here's one I've got that we've laid down, and this one we bottled in December 2024. It's now coming up to the end of July 2025. So you're looking about 7 months. Okay, so let's pop it open and see what happens. Okay, lovely. It gives it plenty of time then in the bottle to do its thing. Basically bottle condition and get lots and lots of all the chemical reactions to take place. Now, if you remember, we also added in a litre of grape juice concentrate to this to lift it up and give it a bit more body and a bit more oomph. Oh, that's got a good smell. It's got lots of fruity aromas coming through. Quite floral, quite citrusy, lemony as well. And you've also got that slightly alcoholic aroma coming off of it, just like you would expect from a Sauvignon Blanc wine. So let's go in. Oh, it's quite nice. It's quite subtle. And then it hits you at the back of the throat. Reminds you that there's a bit of alcohol in there. If I remember, it's 13%. Yeah, it's telling you it's 13%. You've got some apple coming through, some perhaps a bit of peach. What else have we got coming through on that one? Oh yeah, really, really ripe gooseberries. I love tasting on these videos because it means you just got to keep sipping. So what else have we got? Ooh, that is so easy drinking. You could literally pop through a bottle pretty easy on that. But yeah, lots and lots of lovely fruity aromas, apples, peaches, gooseberries, those sorts of fruits that you would expect. Really quite nice on the nose. It's already making me feel a bit tingly, and I've only had a few sips. So there we go. That is the SG Platinum Sauvignon Blanc wine kit with an extra litre of white grape juice concentrate added to it, just to lift it up that little bit extra, give you that little bit extra alcohol, little bit extra body, and give you that little bit extra flavour as well. So it's as simple as that. As always, if you've made this, if you've added the litre of grape juice concentrate, if you've added more, if you didn't add it, let me know how yours turned out down in the comments below. And as always, if you've got any questions, just ask and I'll try and get back to you as quickly as possible. And if you've missed the video where we made this, I'll put a link down in the description or hopefully somewhere on screen. So give you a link to the video of us making it. But for now, cheers, happy brewing. And yeah, I think I'm gonna finish off a bottle of Sauvignon Blanc tonight. Cheers.